The High Court has outlawed the presence of plainclothes police officers in demonstrations and protests. Judge Bahati Mwamuye ruled that the Inspector General of Police should not deploy police in plainclothes to handle assembly or demonstrations. At the same time, the judge in a different case declared the ban on demonstrations in Nairobi's Business Central District in June last year illegal and unconstitutional. Brenda Wanga begins our broadcast tonight with the following report.
Nearly 1 year after the demonstrations that rocked the country over the 2024 finance bill, the demonstrators have scored a major victory against the state. A case filed by 11 petitioners faulted the then IG of Police Japhet Koome for banning an intended protest on the 18th of June 2024. The judge found that notice to be unconstitutional and an infringement on the rights to peaceful assembly, freedom of expression, and human dignity as enshrined in the Constitution. The 11 petitioners told the courts that the police beat, clobbered, maimed, and tortured them in the peaceful protest, and in the process also treated them in a cruel, inhuman, and degrading manner. They also claimed that they were illegally and indiscriminately arrested by police on the orders of the then IG of Police. The judge not only found that the IG acted in excess of his powers, he also awarded the 11 petitioners 2.2 million shillings, 100,000 shillings each for general damages and 100,000 shillings as exemplary damages. Judge Mwamuye also dealt the police and the executive another blow when he ordered that all police officers deployed to maintain law and order during demonstrations or any other assembly must be in uniform with their faces clearly visible. The Law Society of Kenya had sued an officer alleged to be behind the killing of a protester, Rex Masai. LSK, in its suit, had argued that all instances of murder and police brutality during the demonstrations were linked to officers who had no identification and who wore no police uniforms. LSK argued that the incognito appearances of police officers enabled them to blend in with peaceful protesters who were exercising their constitutional rights. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV.